So can you paint behind a toilet without removing it? And 9 times out of 10, yeah, you can. And the primary tool that I use to get that job done is a mini roller, or a lot of people call them hot dog rollers. When you're picking out your roller for that job, there's a lot of different options, and they vary in diameter and in the depth of the nap. So the amount of fibers coming off of the roller is the nap length, 1/4 inch all the way up to inch. So it's best just to start out with the lowest profile mini roller that you can find, and that'll increase your chances of actually being able to get it behind that toilet without getting paint all over the tank. Mini rollers have a variety of core sizes, which dictates what cage will actually work with the nap. And so most of them have this very small 1/4 inch, and it just pushes right onto that cage. But as you can see, some of them have a larger core size, which would require a cage with a larger receiver on it. And this one actually will work with the small one, and then you put this adapter on it, and then you can slide the one with the larger core size on it. And then there's also another adapter that would go over this one to receive this. And primarily when we're looking to paint behind a toilet, we're going to be using the smallest diameter nap, which has the smallest core size. But then there's also this elongated handle, which comes in really handy for doing toilets, because you can get all the way down from the top without having to get underneath and work from multiple angles. You can get all of it from one shot from the top. Nobody wants to lay down next to the toilet. So